That's a good sign. Younger the better to be a fucked up god to take down this plane. A really fucked up god.
Hi. Hey, Tom.
Hello.
Alex? Could you trade seats with Blake so she and I could sit together? She asked Todd, but he said he had some sort of medical thing.
Yeah.
All right.
Is there a problem, sir? What's your fucking problem?
Alex, qu'est-ce que c'est?
Qu'est-ce que c'est? Fucking plane's gonna explode! Shut up, Brown. That's it. Sit down, Brown.
It's going down.
We will remove you from this aircraft and out with it. Fuck you, I'll remove myself!
The airline's not taking this very well. They'll let one of us back on. The rest of us can take an 11:10 flight. It gets in 3 hours later. It's all
I'll
right.
stay.
Like, I don't know. I saw it. I saw it on the runway. I saw it take off. I saw out my window. I saw the ground and the cabin. It starts to shake, right? And the left side blows up, and then the whole plane just explodes. And it was so real, just like how everything happened, you know?
You've been on a lot of planes.
Dream? But wait, but the plane, it's gonna blow up. It's gonna blow up.
Hey, fuck you, Horton.
Todd.
Okay, fuck you.
Dude, you're taking the fucking hospital.